Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm Dr. T. Pam Terrio, the author of Alleviate Dry Eye and the clinical director of the Dry Eye Center at Left Eye Specialists. Today, I want to talk to you about bedtime routines. Now, bedtime routines aren't just for kiddos anymore. We all need to have a schedule that gets our body prepared to sleep at night. It really sets us up for the most successful sleep that our bodies need to heal and restore so that we can be productive the next day. So when we're doing our normal bedtime routine, I'm sure you include things like washing your face and brushing your teeth. And so I would like to encourage you to add some eye care routine items in there along with those steps that you're already doing. That is a powerful tip called habit stacking. Last week we talked about James Clear's book, Atomic Habits, and in his book he talks about habit stacking a lot. That's just when you have a habit that you're already routinely doing and then you put something else along with it. So if you are already routinely brushing your teeth at night, then we're just going to stack doing this eye care routine at the same time. So I think you'll understand as we get into it. So at bedtime, I like to call my eye care routine 6 for the fix. I know, it's kind of cheesy, but it'll help you remember the steps. So the first step is heal. And as you know, I encourage you to take an anti-inflammatory supplement that will bring down the inflammation not only in your eyes, but in your body. And the one that I encourage my patients to take is Hydro Eye by Science Based Health. The second step is remove. And I've got my little box here. So remove both your contact lenses and your eye makeup. So as you all know, Clear Care is my favorite contact lens cleaner. So we do not sleep in our contact lenses, never, ever, ever. We always want to remove them. And then I encourage you to cleanse them with Clear Care solution. It is preservative free. It's a hydrogen peroxide based solution. And you really need to read the steps to do this properly. So make sure if you've never used it before, read the box and make sure you're using it right. Otherwise you'll have problems. The second thing is remove your eye makeup. I really love the Tea Tree Cleansing Oil by We Love Eyes. That gets my eye makeup off the best. And if you haven't already downloaded my eye makeup remover guide, I encourage you to do that. I'll put the link below the video. So number 3 is going to be Harmonize. Let me get the rest of my goodies out of the bag over here. Harmonize, I'd like you to do the hypochlor spray. Now this is a hypochlorous acid spray which is actually going to bring the bacterial load that lives on our lids and lashes. It's going to bring that load down to normal levels. And so all you have to do once like I said, your eye makeup is off, you've washed your face, and now you're going to go squirt, squirt, and then rub with your fingertips, rub right into your lash line. Now let that air dry. Don't rinse it off. Leave the hypochlorous spray on your eyes. So hypochlor. And then the 4th step is hydrate. I'd encourage you to use preservative-free artificial tears. They're the ones that come in the single-serving vials, so there's no preservatives in there. One drop, that's going to rinse away any dust, dirt, pollen, whatever may have gotten in your eyes during the day. Along with that, on step 4, if you do take dry eye medication, this would be a good time to put those drops in, or if you use another eye medication, maybe for glaucoma or something else, again, it's a good time to do that. Number 5 is a gel drop. And you know I've talked about gel drops and gel ointments in the past. I really love these at bedtime. It gives us a smooth layer that we can put in our eyes while we're sleeping, and it keeps our eyes moist all night long. I think you'll enjoy that. The 6th and final step is heat. And so I really love the Brooder Warm Compress Mask. This is a mask that you would put in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds and then just lay it over your eyes for as long as it stays hot, which is usually 8 to 12 minutes. And so You can use this while you're already lying down in bed. You want to make sure that you've already read your book and watched the news and you're really ready to go to bed before you put in step 5, which was the gel drop, because it'll blur your vision. And then just put that warm compress mask over your eyes and you can go to sleep. So there you have it, guys. 6 steps to keep your eyes healthy every night. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you follow along and do it yourself. Please share this video with a friend if you think it would help them. And I'm glad that you watched me. I'll see you again next week, same time, same place. Bye for now.